The 14-day hemoglobin reset. Do you wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Have you noticed the natural glow of your skin fading, replaced by a pale, dull complexion? Maybe you feel your heart racing for no reason, or you're struggling with shortness of breath. These aren't just signs of a busy life. They are your body's SOS signals. Low hemoglobin and iron deficiency are silent energy thieves. When your blood isn't carrying enough oxygen, every organ in your body, from your brain to your heart, starts to struggle. But what if the solution wasn't in a pill bottle, but in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into a super drink that can reset your blood health in just 14 days. To make this blood-boosting tonic, you'll need 4 simple ingredients. First, the beetroot. It is the powerhouse of this recipe. Beetroot is packed with natural nitrates. Next, a small piece of ginger to ignite your digestive fire, and the juice of 1 lemon. Lemon is crucial because its vitamin C acts as a key, unlocking the iron in the beetroot so your body can actually absorb it. Finally, the secret ingredient, raw honey. Many people skip the honey, but in Ayurveda, honey is a carrier. It works with the nitrates in the beetroot to produce nitric oxide. This gas relaxes and expands your blood vessels, allowing that rich, oxygenated blood to reach every corner of your body. Preparation is simple. Chop your beetroot into small pieces, add the ginger and lemon juice, and blend it with a little water. Once it's smooth, stir in your tablespoon of honey. But consistency is where the magic happens. You must drink this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, or just before your breakfast. Commit to this for just 14 days. In the first week, you'll feel the brain fog lift. By the second week, your digestion improves and that heavy feeling in your limbs begins to disappear. Why? Because you are nourishing your liver, your spleen, and your pancreas simultaneously. When these 4 organs work in harmony, your digestive system becomes a blood-making factory. I have always believed that medicine isn't just something you buy, it's something you live. Nature holds a hidden power, and when you support your liver, the yogurt, you support your life. For those looking for even deeper support, we've developed the Yogurt Care Juice. It combines the power of giloy, amla, and papaya leaf to strengthen the liver and spleen even further. Whether you choose this juice or the homemade super drink, the goal is the same: to live with vitality. Don't just survive. Don't settle for weakness. Give your body the fuel it deserves and watch your energy return. Remember, nature is the ultimate healer. Try this for 2 weeks and tell me how you feel in the comments below.